What's up, guys? This is Huckett Crew, and today I'm going to show you my new bike build. I know you guys have seen my 2021 GT Complete bike, but that was just temporary until I got this built. This is my fully chromoly street build here, and I'm going to go through the parts and how I came across everything and get into the story. So yeah, I just got a Sabrosa street rail. You guys will see that in the video as well. So put 4 pegs on, and I've been trying to learn oppo grinds and doing, you know, my regular stuff as well. But yeah, everything on this bike is chromoly. Every single piece of it, just about, that can be, is chromoly. It's got double wall wheels. It's heat treated. The bars are heat treated. The forks are heat treated. Even the frame is thin wall, heat treated Japanese chromoly 4130. It's a Miraco LTD. It's the limited edition blend frame, the Blend 2. I have S&M Mike Coder grips. These are like my all-time favorite grips besides the Colt Bands grips, and yeah, just got them bars in. They're Brandon Began's signature bars, I'm pretty sure. They're 9.65 rise. They're pretty big. Like, I thought that they were going to be a little bit smaller. They look sort of goofy, but they feel really nice. So I'm pretty pleased with the feel of them. I don't cut my parts down. I never cut my forks down. Never cut my bars. Everything just stays the way it came from the factory, because I just don't feel like fucking with that. But going to my stem, I got a Shadow Odin stem. Then going to my forks and headset, Fit Blade V3 fork with the ACS main drive headset. And for my front wheel and tire setup, it's a Fit FAF 2.25 tire in the front, 110 psi. And then for my front wheel, it's a Mission Invade female axle, sealed front hub with a lace to a double wall Mylar front rim. And now going back to the frame, it's a 20.75 top tube, 13.75 rear end. It's a little bit longer than modern frames, as it is from 2008. But now going to the seat and seat post, it's just a kink capital seat, pivotal stock post from some random bike I had laying around, animal seat clamp. For my cranks and bottom bracket, I have an Odyssey bottom bracket bearings, and I have Colt OS cranks. They're the Colt Crew OS cranks, 175 millimeters, 48 spline, bolt drive with a GT Power Guard sprocket, 25 tooth. And for my pedals, I have the GT plastic PC pedals in red. And for my chain, I have a KMC standard Z chain. Since I have a guard sprocket, I didn't see any need in spending 30 bucks on a Supreme chain or any other half link. So yeah, now I'm going to the back wheel. I got a Odyssey P-Light tire wrapped around it's an Odyssey Aaron Ross P-Light. This is a super old tire. I'll get into the story in just a second. But now for the rim. The rim is a Cinema 333 laced to a Cinema ZX cassette hub with nylon hub guards on both sides. Same for the front. I have G Sport gland hub guards on the front with 2 Primo pegs, and a Primo peg on this side with a Animal peg on that side. And back to the tire. I got this at a bike shop. It was brand new. He had it wrapped around in like the clear plastic, so the tread was like perfect. And he didn't have any other BMX tires, but he had this one. So I bought this one, and it was perfect size because the rear end on this bike is not very wide, so I can't even fit a 2.2 in there. This is a 2.10. So anyway, guys, that's my 2021 street setup, and I hope you enjoyed it. And comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.